the Igbo people are more united than any group you have in this country. Yes, I don't know how to say it. No matter how many years we have been out of government, we have not been vice president, we have not been president, we have not held important positions in Nigeria, yet anytime you call a meeting of Igbo people, they will come united. Yes, but you know, some people want to be seen as not being compliant. So you may hear some few people making statements that are different from what the core Igbos are saying. But most of them are actually trying to be more Igbo than other Igbos. Because some of them are afraid that if all of us are saying the same thing, people will conspire against us. So some of them are just saying something to show that they are different from others, that the Igbo are not the same place.
So what lessons can one learn from an event like this?
Lessons of gratitude to God. That is number one. Because you are thanking God for feeding you. It is God who feeds you. You are thanking God for being alive, for seeing another year. Because for us, actually, New Yam Festival is a yearly affair. And if you survive 1 year, you thank God.
Adema, biko, iwajibu omenala ndị Igbo. Anyị ga-achọ ka ịgwakwa ndị Igbo.
Anyị wee rie ji ọfụ. Ka anyị gosikwu na anyị Igbo ofu. Oya ka anyị na-eji nọrọ ebe a. Who have spoken against Peter Obi in Igbo land? You can count on your one hand the number of people who have. And even those, some of them, those are doing it in defense of Igbo. So, but maybe by next year, when we do our New Yam Festival, if it is done this time, maybe a president of Igbo origin will be here to celebrate it with us. Because this is Abuja, and that president will be in Abuja. Therefore, the president of Igbo origin will come to New Year Festival next year, 2023.